In this video, I will show you how to add a business address on Shopify. Now, this is actually very easy and done within a few minutes. So first, you of course need to have a paid plan. So make sure you subscribe to a paid plan on Shopify. And once you've successfully subscribed to a paid plan, as you can see, you can fill in your business information. So let's first, enter our first name, last name, and phone number, just like this, for example. Then let's add an address. You can just type it right there and it will automatically pop up, hopefully, just like this. And then you need to tap on the save business address. So as you can see, enter a 10-digit phone number. So you need to, have 10 digits instead of more, just like this. And then tap on save business address. And that is it. That is how you can add a business address on Shopify. Very easy, very simple. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.